In this video guide, we will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the fake human verification alerts which are related to the site News-rupite.cc. So, News-rupite.cc is a malicious website which now attacks Google Chrome and of course other browsers too. News-rupite.cc claims that you need to click on allow supposedly to help you confirm that you are not a robot. The reality is that it is a mistake to click on the allow button, and if you do that, your browser will be hijacked as a result. And first of all, you may be redirected to some other malicious website. And finally, you will start receiving a lot of pop-ups in the right part of the screen. To deactivate them, you should fix your browser urgently. By accessing the menu, go to Settings. Then, while you are in the settings, you need to select Privacy and Security in the left part of the settings window. So once again, settings, then carefully research the left part of the settings window. You need to click on Privacy and Security. When you are in Privacy and Security, click on Site Settings. Go down to Permissions and choose Notifications. So now pay attention to the websites that are allowed to send notifications. If you find this News-rupite.cc, make sure you remove it from the list. And if you see other junk sites here, remove them too. Finally, I recommend that you additionally research your system with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. And you may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. So go here, download Combo Cleaner, install the application, then begin carefully researching and investigating your system to detect and delete other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.